Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel eclairs. We'll start by preparing a light and airy chew pastry, which is the foundation of any great eclair. Then, I'll guide you through crafting a luscious caramel cream filling that's both sweet and sophisticated. Finally, we'll finish them with a glossy caramel glaze, ensuring every bite is pure perfection. Get ready to impress everyone with these delightful treats. Creating the perfect chew pastry is simpler than you think. First, bring water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and salt to a boil. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in your flour until a smooth dough ball forms. Return it to the stove for a minute to dry it out slightly. Finally, beat in your eggs one by one until the batter is glossy and falls from the spoon in a V-shape. This ensures light, hollow eclairs. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying learning how to make these amazing eclairs, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And on another note, after all that baking, your kitchen might smell wonderful, but what about your car? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a classic for a reason. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the star of the show, the caramel cream. Begin by cooking sugar and a little water until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber caramel. Be careful when you slowly whisk in warm cream and a touch of butter. It will bubble up. Let this mixture cool completely. Once chilled, gently fold it into freshly whipped cream, creating a light yet rich filling that perfectly balances sweetness and flavor. With your chew pastry baked and cooled, it's time to fill them. Use a piping bag to generously fill each eclair shell with your delicious caramel cream. Next, we'll make a simple caramel glaze by melting caramel with a little cream until smooth. Dip the tops of your filled eclairs into this warm glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. Let them set for a few minutes, and they're ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.